2015 was a record year for Huron Capital Partners. I wanted to share some of the highlights on what was the most active period in our 17-year history. We completed 25 transactions, which included 3 platforms, 16 add-ons, 4 exits, and 2 recapitalizations. We executed deals in each of our 4 target industries: business services, consumer, healthcare, specialty manufacturing. Our deal activity spanned 13 different states and 2 Canadian provinces. And to accommodate this growth, we expanded our staff and our office space, as we're in the process of expanding across the entire 27th floor of the historic Guardian Building in downtown Detroit. And all the team's hard work didn't go unnoticed. We won 7 major industry awards, including PE Firm of the Year and Best Deal Originations Team. And several team members were also honored, most notably Gretchen Perkins, who Mergers and Acquisitions magazine named Dealmaker of the Year, and Nick Barker, who earned the M&A Advisor 40 Under 40 Dealmaker Award. So what were the catalysts for this record year? 4 things. Number 1, our all-star team, first and foremost. Number 2, our focused approach, centered around relationship equity. Number 3, proprietary deal sourcing. And number 4, our exec factor model, where we partner with CEOs in targeted sectors and look to execute buy and build opportunities together in these industries. Huron's executive-led exec factor strategy grew in 2015, both through deals and depth. In 2015, we closed the first deal for Valentis Specialty Chemicals with the acquisition of National Paint Industries, a market-leading manufacturer of reactive special coatings. And we're well down the path with more deals for this platform. We also launched a new exec factor initiative, Science Building Solutions, focused on fire detection and safety systems. We're currently exploring opportunities to build science and expect more deals in 2016. On the platform front, we targeted the automotive aftermarket segment with the acquisition of Drake Automotive Group and our partnership with industry legend Scott Drake. Drake's a designer and distributor of branded automotive aftermarket products serving classic car, off-road, and muscle car markets for models like Ford Mustang, Broncos, Jeeps, Camaros, and a variety of others. Another noteworthy platform, Ernest Brothers Logistics, which gets us back into a sector that we know quite well, third-party logistics. And we quickly capitalized on what is an approximately $100 million logistics business. While building new exec factor platforms, we simultaneously completed 2 particularly noteworthy exits in 2015. Jensen Hughes is a global leader in fire protection engineering consulting, providing a comprehensive suite of services in this industry. Jensen was one of our most active companies with consistent deal activity as we closed 9 add-ons and grew revenues from $56 million to over $175. Huron Capital led the efforts to generate over 100 add-on acquisition opportunities. One of the most significant deals was the merger between Hughes Associates and Rolf Jensen, which brought together the 2 largest players in the industry that had been competing against each other for decades. By partnering with management and through our team's initiatives, we were able to increase the number of jobs from 200 to 800, and Jensen Hughes added more than 30 offices worldwide during our ownership. Another important exit, Optimum Plastics, a leading domestic international engineered films producer that began as an exec factor program led by our operating partner and CEO, Kevin Keneally. During our tenure, we grew revenues from $45 million to over $100 million. We tripled CapEx and grew the business organically, growing headcount from 66 to 145, and also completed a large synergistic add-on. Optimum at the time was a fundamentally sound business that was under-resourced, and we were able to significantly enhance the product pipeline and meaningfully expand the sales engineering team. 2015 was a record year for Huron Capital, with new platforms, new portfolio companies, and new people. We believe we're set up for more of the same in 2016, and I'm excited to see what our team can accomplish.